All right, I'm looking to enter this trade on the rejection block. All right, this is what I'm looking for. We have a 15-minute expansion. Retracement. We're gonna have this candle to close bullish. We're gonna have another expansion here. So I'm looking for this candle to get tapped, but it hit the resistance block. Which is gonna be a 4.7 pip stop loss, 4.7 pip stop loss. All right. All right, I got it. I'm in this trade here. All right, my stop is set at 42. Take profit is at, where's my highest position here? 96. So my take profit is going to be a 3 OR. At 3, 5. 3, 5, 5, 8. So my highest position is 3, 3, 9, 6, 3, 3, 9, 6. So 3, 3, 9, 6. 3, 3, 9, 6. Take profit is going to be a, so first two. All right, everything is set. So now we'll go ahead and stop loss or take profit here. No partialing, just TP or stop loss. We entered an inertia block because of the wick being bigger than the wick being bigger than the body. Yo, bro, what's up? What's good? What's good? What's good? Pretty shitty stop loss. I mean, pretty shitty entry here, man. It got us cooked. So we have our entries at 39.96, 39.92. At least is around it. It's not too far ahead. I'm just gonna go for a 3 RR. That's all I'm going for. You in blood? Yes, sir. Let me share the execution. The rejection block entry is the best entry to me, to be honest, bro. Alright, so if we stop loss or take profit, that's all we care about here. It's a pretty clean move as well. The pretty clean move here. We got a whole expansion. We got a retracement. This candle closes in a bullish candle. That's another whole expansion here. We could start off the next expansion candle. So let's see if we can possibly do that. We're doing this candle close bullish. If this candle close bullish, that'll be fantastic. Because we got SFT here, so I'll be that bit. We got the right model one as well. So I want to see a bounce back. You tapped it once, so you can tap another time for going up higher, but I want to see a good rejection of the rejection block here. But we got 3 minutes candle closure. Let's see this candle close bullish somehow here. Let's see this candle close bullish. If we could have this candle close bullish, that would be amazing. Let's give me the first bullish candle on this leg down. Let's see if this could be a quick trade here. I want to see this candle close bullish. That would be fantastic. We got monthly open high low close concept. That's next week. We care about that next week. Next week is where we care about that monthly open high low close. Week 2 we had a manipulation. Now week 3 we have expansion. Last week could be a retracement. It depends, bro. If this is supposed to be a bearish candle, so next week we're possibly gonna we're probably gonna be shorts next week. But it all depends on how the market wanna do this. GUSMT2, yes sir. Let's see if this thing could hold. Come on. I don't think it'll close in a bullish candle. Didn't have too much momentum on it. It's cool. Let's see the next candle could close bullish. Alright, let's see this candle could close bullish here. If it does, it's gonna be a quick loss, which is good because this is my rules. If it doesn't, it's all good. It's on my rules. So week 4, we see monthly candle open high low close, right, broski? You said so. Week 1 and week 4, we see monthly open high low close, open low high close. No, week 4 is the only one we care about. The last week, because some month could have 5 weeks in a month, right? So we want to be just saying the last week. Price will go up. Let's see, bro. But maybe not now. Let's see, man. As long as my rule says I'm in, bro. If I lose, I'm still up from that 4.5 RR, so it doesn't really matter. But we had SMT right on open, which is kind of okay here. Let's see if this SMT can hold. There's another SMT that happened right now. Let's see if the SMT could hold here. All right, let's see if the SMT could hold this SMT in the lower time frame with this candle. Just need GU to push here, buddy. GU is doing a 2 of a big push down. We got SMT with DXY, right? DXY. Okay, this neither has DXY turns out the high here, which is nice. Indeed, bruv. Gotta follow rules, yes sir. Yes, it looks like you want to make a new SMT here. This is why I hate trading GU, bro. If you're trading GU, you're getting clapped from that left and right. Oh, he didn't even make the SMT here. What? You're gonna push back down, bro. Crazy. Interesting. You didn't make the SMTs. It's gonna definitely go back down here. It should be. What? Guess not, bro. Oh, we don't really care about the 5 minute. We care if 15-minute time frame closing bullish here. And this 15 time to close bullish. That's what we care about. You're gonna set an alert here, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Shit, how do you set an alert like without? Oh, we could copy price. So you could add alert, bro. Yes. I don't like that. I need you to make a high. If you can make a high, this is gonna explode. The G is overall the weaker pair. If you see volume G, we could definitely see volume in EU. And already, yes, sir, ski. I'll give you that soldier press, bro. I forgot to go to the gym yesterday, dog. I was so busy. Kind of. Big blood clot, you know, when I pull a pussy. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Oh, why you get? Don't skip gym, bro. Low key, you were right, bro. But I was a little too busy. But that busyness affected my life. It. But yeah, see, you can see our entry with the registration block. This is why we welcome to ETU, bro. But entry was the registration block. That's where we entered straight out of. With the auto block, when the motor block has like a stubborn wick or a big wick, usually has a lot of resting orders here. Oh shit. I had a breath from that. Oh my goodness. Oh, makes you feel good though too. I gotta see if I put the right TP here. Alright. But you can see chat, the low didn't get sweep. We got some tea, bro. You guys see chat, now this is where we care about the close above higher prices, close below lower prices, wick above higher prices, lower prices. In this case, we wicked above. So yesterday we are looking for lower prices, low prices. Only didn't do that, but guess what? We never. If we're looking for a long set this time, we're gonna get stopped out left and right. I have so many long entry there. So like that. Now we had to close above. Now we're looking for higher prices. So this is where you use that thing. This is advanced, but man, it only comes through experience and mentorship. Pay me your whole tuition. Pay me your life savings. Pay me your dignity. Whoa, that's pause, pause, pause. How does that mean? Pay you for doing workout with me lifetime. Oh, that's gonna be funny as hell, bro. Bro, I work out hard though. I don't think you can catch up, bro. Cause you said you're bigger than me. You're much bigger than me. You ain't gonna be able to, withstand the speed, the pressure, the intensity, the velocity, the volume. You know what I'm saying? Cause you lift heavy, but you have to take a lot of rest. I don't need to. You know what I'm saying? Keep going. Pull that shit back. Round down with the rolls. Go back to something else. Do the shrugs and shit for the low upper back. After that, go right back to this. Four things on one. I need competition. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Ski. I do intense too, bro. Yes, sir. Ski. Yeah, we know. We know. Hey, you're in ETU, bro. You're definitely doing intense, bro. Come on. You're in the big shit. You're in the big leagues. You're in the big leagues, brother. You in the big leagues. You in the big leagues. I do a test workout too, bro. Oh yeah, I already answered that, bro. You in the big leagues. Bro, I have a friend, bro. He weighs 185, lean, 6 foot, and squats 450 for 1 rep. I'm like, bro, you too weak. He says I'm a what? He says I'm a powerlifter. Wait, now I'm a strong man. I don't trust his SMT. Bet that, man. You don't gotta trust him, man. As long as it's this is my trade, bro. So you either take your setup, you don't, man. It's all up to you. All I know that okay, my setup says I should be in, I'm gonna be in, you know. But yeah, see where's what my boy EUD files on here. These are looking quick too. The thing was like they had an SMT when it's down here, so if he goes back down here, we're gonna get stopped out because there was no SMT with this low. Why does it look like there's an SMT here though? Was there no SMT? This is 58. Let's see if this candle can close bullish. We just need to close it. We just need a closure of a bullish candle, bro. This is constantly telling us to retracement. So if we can get the bullish candle closure, that's gonna tell us that okay, the next leg up is gonna be starting right now. Alright, we're in the 3% of this push. Yeah, we're collapsed possibly here. We need the GU to fucking not make the SM. We need the GU to make the SMT, but if it's gonna go push down, it's gonna definitely push down as well. I want to see GU push down lower, but I want to see EU first push up higher before pushing lower. Yeah, probably stopped out here. Probably stopped out. Let's see if we can push back up higher from here before going lower, because that low needs to get sweep. There's not a legit. There's not an actual order block here. If this tells us we're clapped, that's gonna be crazy, bro. Okay, we're still surviving here. We're still surviving here. Oh wow, the candle closed bullish. That's nice. Almost stopping us out. Nah, we should push down. You should have pushed that hard though. Come on. Gotta push down, but not that hard. Pushing down lower than the fucking GU, bro. That's another candle. The candle closed bullish as well, but now we do need the SMT. Let's see if the SMT could be placed here potentially. All right, this high got soup. This high got soup on DXY. All right, let's see. If it goes lower than this, then we're stopped out. Yeah, we're stopped out. Yeah, you had the SMT with DXY here. Okay, fantastic. Okay, now I want to see a lower push. All right, we're stopped out here. Yep. Yep. Love Roman, we could. 4911. All right, let's see what's up with this one. Yeah, the SMT was the problem here, bro. All right, pretty good loss. I ain't gonna lie to you. We had the key level there. We had everything we needed. Yes, it also got cooked because of this SMT. Man, all for that, bro. It all depends on the like. It's just a setup, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. And there's a new situation here, but it's a mixed match here because it's a 4-hour CRT as well as a hourly CRT. So it's always mixed match here. So we usually market what likes to consolidate in between his range, right? You can see this is the big kind of range. Market has to consolidate here before pushing up higher. So you want to see the consolidation happen. Market did create a fake top here as well. We had SMT with a low. But SMT was wrong timing though. We couldn't take that shit. Happened 5:15 a.m. We still have the SMT impact with DXY here and GU. And usually SMT with GU are the worst one. But with DXY, the SMTs are nice. Because DXY is the GU is we usually weaker, but the SMT is still gonna work sometimes. Alright, so we had a legit low here, we had SMT with the right model one. Model one have at the right time, which is 7 a.m., which is 10:30 a.m. Okay. Well, I think this is it for the day, man. I think I'm gonna go and call it a day here. Pretty good day. I want to come back see later. I want to see where the market is at. But this is a pretty good trade here in my eyes. It's just a probably too lost, man. It's just probably too lost. Cause the last three trades, didn't really call it. They profit out. So this trade is gonna nothing can happen because it's probably to here. Because we've been waiting for the past couple of trades, so we need to lose one at least here. So why don't we wait for the 15 CISD? For me personally, the 4 CRT already got met, so there's no longer a 4 CRT in play now. So I'm not looking for a hourly CRT, and the 15 CISD and the 15-minute CRT that happened, that was the wrong timing here. You know what I'm saying? But if I see the market going all the way down here and going up higher here, I'll definitely know. Okay, even when there's a 4 CRT in that specific day, I'm not going to be using the hourly CRT at all. I'm primarily focusing on 4 CRT. Because what we are initially doing here, we're just applying the same thing as last before. We have 4 SMT, yes sir, we have the 4 SMT with the 5 a.m. candle here. But I want to see the more the market goes with this. If the market does go down lower and goes up higher, I will definitely know. Okay, whenever there's a forest CRT there, we cannot use the hourly at all in a near situation. Because keep in mind, bro. Yesterday, if you're using a hourly CRT in a near situation, you're gonna get smacked. Because like personally, this may go all the way down and we do the SMT or just push it out. They don't go up higher than that. That would make sense, you know. But this could be a double purge here as well. This could be a double purge. It makes a lot of sense here. Yesterday I took 4 SMT and got cooked. Wow. Oh my goodness, bro. We all got cooked. I mean, yesterday I didn't take any trades, so I'm good. But I want to see want to see what the market goes, because I think there's a lesson. I think there's a big lesson out of this trade, because probably the lesson is even if there's a 4 CRT, or even like if in a negative situation, which only have this rule on, but even if the CRT 4 CRT hard for the CRT 4 CRT take profit got met, we will still purchase the 4 CRT or actually if there's a 4 CRT already there. There's SMT right and left, bro. Yeah, but for that to solve that problem is about, you know, having a strong bias. My box was bullish, so I didn't take. There was no shorting opportunity for a New York. So it's all about having the right bias in a hard time. If you don't have the right bias, you're gonna have the, you know, SMT left and right. So yeah, that's probably, I want to see how the market goes. You can go if you can go lower here and make a new SMT or go up higher. Or I want to see how the market goes, because I'll be right back on this. I'll be right back later. But yeah, that's definitely a big lesson. This is just 4 CRT. Near situation needs to have. There's a 4 CRT. If there's a 4 CRT in play, we have to first as the 4 CRT. I thought the 4 CRT already got, you know, John look at the 4 CRT already got met. The CRT already got met here, but it's still there for that day. So we still to prioritize it for that specific day. Yeah, I'll be back on the chat. I'll be back on this. And I'll see you guys later too, chat. I'll be right back later today. See the market, see where they go, and eventually decide from there. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.